I'm unpacking Avon orders here. They give you a magazine. It's for people who are making a lot of money. They share their stories and our news as reps. Here is the specials. Here's the March catalog. I enjoy doing this, guys. I like Avon. I enjoy selling it. They have a brand, packaging, and everything. And here's my lots of orders that the clients have ordered. So I'm happy. I'm going to deliver. You can just see that everything is here. I even got this for free. I'm happy. Oh, you see the orders. You see the orders, the brushes. They sell everything. The soaps. This is black charcoal. They sell everything. This one is mine. I ordered this. It's a body mist. They deliver. It's peppery peaches. It's nice. It really smells like peppery peaches. And then it's this combo. There's 4 of them for $1.79. There's this. There's Attraction perfume for men. It's a lot. See? This, the body mist. It's also mine, this one. Bambuzi cocktail. Nice. The body mist, and it's a lot. It's 200 ml.